In 2014, to solve unemployment, Xinjiang introduced a series of labor-intensive businesses to the 4 prefectures in southern Xinjiang region. Soon, a project to provide 1 million jobs from the textile and garment industry was launched. This employment-centered project, involving millions of households, was in full swing in Xinjiang. Every morning, Abida walks past these apricot woods to work in a factory. In June 2014, the world's biggest manufacturer of ski gloves, Zhongxing Glove of Jining, Shandong, settled in Yanjiser County.
应援疆指挥部还有咱们英吉沙县各位领导的盛情邀请，我们第一次来到英吉沙，当时我们看到那里的妇女渴望就业的眼神，非常的感动。
Abida passed the interview and became a trainee here.
Ата-анам булам yollanmay özüm bir iyilik tilep bakay. Öýtüklerine ýaxşyrak gün körsün dep, andykin özümniň turmuşy ýaxşylansyn dep.
With over a dozen workshops in the area and over 1,000 employees, it's not easy to keep everything going on well. Wang Ping is not just the manager. A lot of times, she is also like a parent.
不用谢我，你们只要在这里好好的学会技术，将来自己能给自己挣到钱，比什么都好。当你领到工资的时候，自己可以给自己买漂亮的衣服，是不是？漂亮的头花，漂亮的围巾，你们想不想要这样的生活？
To make sure the factory could do well, she moved her family to Yanjiser and became an authentic local. Within 1 year after the factory's establishment, Zhongxing Glove employed 1,500 people. This year, all 35 workshops in the area will start production, aiming to provide 4,000 jobs in total this year and 10,000 jobs in 3 years. To this end, Xinjiang also provided financial support to help it expand its operations and provide more jobs to local farmers. This year, altogether 794 projects in Xinjiang gained government support in 2015. Soon, more young people like Abida will work in factories. Between 2010 and 2014, 2.49 million new jobs in urban areas of Xinjiang had been created. A cumulative total of 13.26 million jobs were provided to surplus agriculture workforce. Projects for people's well-being have been carried out one by one. Matters concerning people's well-being have been addressed one by one. All these are laying the foundation for a prosperous Xinjiang, giving people of all ethnic groups a happy life.